Hey guys, welcome to Our Scamp Life, our de-winterization part 2. If you're watching this and you're going part 2, where's part 1? Well, you'll have to go back and find it because I have yet to learn how to embed the links to another video in my current videos. So just go back, search Scamp de-winterization part 1 and go watch that one first. Then come back and watch this video. If you've already seen the other video, welcome back. This is, yes, part 2. This is where we get into, you get to watch us clean it, wax it, and pack it up in all of its awesome glory. Get it ready to go for this summer's trip. We're going to St. Croix State Park here in just over a week from when I'm videoing this and editing here in the background. So hopefully, hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks again. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe button and you like what you're seeing, please do that exact thing. So the tank is draining because of that little drain right there. Even in the Scamp manual it said as long as you do a good job of blowing out all the lines, get out till you're only hearing spurts of air, things like that. Supposedly there's not enough water left in the water lines to be able to freeze. Of course it's not a 100% guarantee, but man, it's a lot of extra work. So as of right now, I don't think we're going to do the pink antifreeze for next year. I think we're just going to blow out the lines like we initially did and then just let it be. Ever hate when you can't remember how to turn something on after you haven't used it for a year? Oh, that's right, there it is. Alright, so today is a new day. Today's actually waxing day. This is the polish that I'm using. New Finish is the name of it there, soft paste. Also excellent for chrome, fiberglass boats, and recreational vehicles. So I figure if it's good for a fiberglass boat, it should be good for the Scamp camper. Alright, so here we go. Time to give her a wax job. Man, it really went on nice and slick. That wax was just awesome, and it took me about an hour. That was it, by myself, an hour to do top and bottom, or the roof and the sides all the way around of the camper. I even got a lot of the chrome because it also says it works well on chrome. So thank you, Dad. that was an awesome purchase. I wouldn't have known what to buy. But anyways, I think I'm going to do a second coat on the top just because that's going to see the most sun. And that's really the reason for doing this. You know, we want to keep our, you know, it's not about a vanity thing or anything like that. Although it is nice to keep your nice stuff nice. So anyways, but that wax works really, really well for this Scamp. It went on super slick, super easy. I didn't have to have a machine to buff it out. I'm sure I could have got it even better if I bought some super expensive wax and a buffer, but I didn't have any of that. I didn't want to use it. So this worked really, really well. We'll see come the end of the season how well it held up, but I think it'll do pretty good. So the waxing is done, or the washing is done, the waxing is done. We've taken all the pink antifreeze out of the system, flushed it all out, toilet, sinks, everything. Batteries in. I got to get the LP tanks filled. Local place is running a special, $10 to refill a 20-pound tank. So we've got 2 of them. Actually, we've got 3 because we went on the grill too. So I'm trying to run them all down to empty so we get the most bang for our buck. Lots and lots of grilling. So all we have left to do is to just pack everything back into here that we took out, which actually wasn't that much. Like I said, we left the dishes and stuff like that in here, but we're going to get blankets, pillows, things like that. We mentioned in one of the videos last year also that the bed here that folds down into the table is definitely adequate. I mean, it's a lot better than laying on the cots that we were laying on or the inflatable mattresses that feel more like a waterbed. So that part of it's really, really nice, but we did learn, gosh, it would be cool to have just a little bit more padding there. So over the winter, we were on the lookout, and Sarah just like a couple weeks ago found a really good deal on, I think it was through Amazon, for a king-size 2-inch foam mattress topper. The cool part about it is it's not wrapped, it's just the foam. And so she's going to take it because it's a king size, and this bed here for us to sleep on isn't quite, well, it's probably just barely a full. So the king size, the California king, I think even, she's going to cut it down. So Noah will have a 2-inch topper, and we'll have a 2-inch topper from that one California king topper that she purchased. The only thing that we're not sure about is storage. How are we going to store it when we're using this as a kitchen table? Our thought is most of the time this is just going to stay down as a bed unless it's raining out, because we're going to be you know, we're going to be sitting out by the campfire, we're going to be hiking, we're going to be eating at a picnic table outside. That's the point of camping, right? The other option is, you know, until Noah brings a friend or something, we have the bunk that's underneath his bunk where we store our clothes. We showed that last year. You can always store it underneath there. It's alive! Here's our new mattress for the camper. It's waking up. There it is, mostly rolled out. Sarah's going to cut it down to size. So what we're doing is getting two of our 2-inch foam, I don't know, mattress extenders? I don't know what you call it. But we're going to get 2 of them out of this one California king. Getting ready to put the other mattress topper on here and cut it into place. Obviously, because of the curvature there on either side, we had to do some more trimming, and lengthwise we had to do a little bit of trimming, but otherwise that mattress topper fit awesome. Here it goes. 2 thumbs up.
Oh my goodness. I'm so comfy in this. Dad, take a video.
I already am. So this is essentially everything that we took out of the camper for the winter. Reasoning for taking certain things out was if it's something that the mice can get into, we didn't want them to get into it, like blankets and pillows and stuff. And some of the stuff like in the first aid kit and dish soap and stuff, you know, had a chance of freezing. And some of the brand new stuff is new for this year. Anyways, that's the basket. But gonna put all this stuff away and then kind of give you guys a quick video as to how our organization looks this year. Laying in our camper. Should we do one of those scenes you pretend to wake up? Like the camera's not even there. Oh, hello. We're laying here on our bed, and just in case people were wondering, you know, we're two larger people. Big boned. I am big boned.
Speak for yourself.
So I said I am big boned. But you know, we've got plenty of room. We're laying on the mattress topper, and it's a big difference. You don't feel the seams. That was the one thing with this. You know, with your pulling your cushions down and making it into a bed, you kind of feel some of those seams sometimes. Super simple.
And the bed is 45 inches wide.
All
Just
right.
in case you're wondering the dimensions.
All right, 45 inches wide,
45.
people. Word to the wise. So other than that, we are basically ready to rock and roll. We will put some food in there, get our clothes in there, and we're heading out in about a week, which means it'll be a couple of weeks, and we'll be seeing you guys in a video at that time. So until then, thanks guys.
What am I doing?
I don't know, what do you want to say?
I just wanted to be on video.
Oh, you just want to be on video?
Yeah.